Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a cover for my March journal. I did a tulip sketch with the pencil and now I will add some basic colors with the watercolor. I like to add basic colors with watercolor first because they help to make a base layer very smooth, and you will see how green mixes with red and gives a stunning effect. I add a bit darker green where I want some shadows to be, and more light where I want the light to fall down on my flowers. I also add a bit of more water where I want green to mix together with red and pink. I will tell you that my March covers, they always have tulips. I don't know, for me it's like the part of spring coming, and I can't just pass by not doing the tulips. Let's come back to the watercolor. When it is dry, I add some pencil details and I add more light colors where I want the light to fall. It's actually the same what I did with the watercolor, but here just a little bit more detail. Here you can play and show some leaves factor. The more layers of pencil you will add and the more colors you will add, it will add more details for the tulip. But I want to keep little bit watercolor, so I'll add just a bit. And for the main attraction, I make some outlines with the black pen, adding details, dots, some lines here. This is a small final touch to bring everything together, and you can see how the tulip becomes alive. I add more lines where I think that dark parts of the tulip is. I also make lines couple times, so I go up and down. You can see it here on the leaf. And here I add March calligraphy. I know that many people add calendar, but I like to be it pretty simple. So for me, monthly cover, it's mostly not like a monthly cover. It's more about art practicing. So the last part for me is adding the background. I add some different green shadows, and they cover one to other. It's very comfortable with colored pencils that they mix together, and you can add a little bit of shadow. You saw that tulips without this background, they were like not finished, and adding a little bit of green, like for me, adds them some interesting effect. I wasn't sure about making the background, but like for me, it makes tulips much more interesting. So here is my finished March journal cover. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for my new videos.